What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here again for another episode of My Son Plays Fortnite. So my son play Fortnite for you today. Him there. So without further ado, I'm gonna make him just take it over and just do him. Guys, also please like the video if you like the video, and thank you for being here. So here's my son.
Yo guys, I'm back with another video, and like what my dad said. Like, subscribe and comment down below before you do anything. Okay, let's get into a solos game, bro. Really. Okay, going into a solos game. I'm gonna be much better than the last episode because I practiced before I did it. So yeah, let's go. Risky. Oh, I didn't even mean to jump, but okay, it's okay. Hopefully I didn't get shot like I was like when I was Comment down below what your favorite skin, what your favorite iconic skin is, and what your favorite Marvel skin is, and yeah. Hope you guys, how has you guys days been? Who's your favorite streamer for Fortnite? My one is probably Typical Gamer, Ninja, McCreamy, and Freshy boy. Let's get this chest really quickly. SMG and some minis. Okay, I'm in the circle now. Where's these people? Because I had some gunshots. Okay. Oh, person right here. Ah! He cracked me. Oh my lord. I didn't even know there was an AR here. I was just about to die. Launch pad. Okay. I have a launch pad already. Where is this guy? Oh no, he's launch padding up. I'm launching away from him then. Ooh. Let's see if I can spot him when he's coming up. Okay, he's coming up, but I don't know where from. Level 80, level 180, let's go. Where is he? Where did he go? Do you guys know where he went?
Nope.
Cause I don't. Where?
He is dead.
Get out of my game, boy. You trash. Okay, yes. Go. Took out the person who came here. Thinks he's better than me. Nonny. Let's get this chest. Let's get this wood as well. Blue AR. I mean green AR. Drink this mini up. Okay, let's get this big put on. Oh no, next person's coming here. Okay. Where is this? Got him. Think he's better than me? No one is better than me.
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, some people are, but mostly. Let me drink these minis first before I do anything. Let me get this med kit. Let me go back into my box. Put this med kit on, and then let me just loot the rest of this risky and break all the cards to get some materials. Well, yeah, let me drink my big pot. Still don't have a shotgun. That is just bad, and I haven't died still. Super surprising. Let's get this chest really quickly. Oh, let's go, a purple burst. They are. Oh no, someone's coming with a helicopter. Well, they're gone somewhere else, so you don't have to worry about it. Only if it comes to me, I will have to worry about it. Wait, I think that launch pad is still there. After I get this chest, I'm gonna launch pad instead of just using my launch pad, because yeah, I'll pass him right here. Okay, I think he's a bit good. Okay, might have to. Oh,
We have guns too.
got him. Let's go, golden pump. Wow, my lord, that is so good. Okay, let me go back and get that launch pad, and then yeah, probably I'm just gonna get that supply drop instead. Yeah, I'm gonna get that supply drop instead. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on post notification. Wow, turn on post notification, and yeah, let me. This person right here. Oh no! Okay, there's someone. Wait, I'm gonna die. No! Jump! I'm launch padding away. Okay, nearly got killed. Now I'm gonna heal up and then launch pad again. Can't believe I missed all my shots. Let me reload all of my weapons. Okay, let me see what's inside this. Okay, let me try launch pad and then swim. Yeah, let me get this boat if it's still there. Oh no, someone right here.
You're dead.
Got him. Let's go. Once again, a next kill. Nope. Let me get back my golden pump, and then yeah, get this chest. Okay, the chest not there. Let me get into the boat. Let me go now. So I'm gonna head to this supply drop, and then yeah, try and get some kills and try and get the win. Now I'm in the circle. Yeah, I'm gonna go to get that supply drop. The stream is going a different way, so it's probably be a bit to the land. So might be a little long. I'm just gonna run there instead, because it's gonna be much longer if I'm gonna use a boat, because it's going to be harder to go up mountains, and yeah. So getting this supply drop. Hopefully I can get something very good, like what do I actually need? I actually don't know what I need. Probably a heavy sniper will sort my loadout out. Okay, let me edit that, and then now let's go to lazy and see what's there. Or I can just launch. Actually, I'm wondering if I want to launch pad to the to that next supply drop. Yeah, probably. Get this shotgun ammo. Just light this camper so I can get 100. Okay, yeah. Now, I wonder what I'm gonna get out of this supply drop. Hopefully, it's not another rocket launcher. Okay, a golden burst. Not bad at all. There's someone here. Oh, they're getting shot at. I think one of them has the mythic. Okay. 33 for a headshot. Woo-wee.
She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Let's go. Okay, let me get this, and then let me heal up really quickly. Oh no, there's the next person on me. Okay, hopefully I can see him as well. Gonna land at this island and see what's here. I know that there's 2 chests here, and yeah, let me get these grenades. Get this chest. That's the okay, let me get these bandages as well. Nothing. Oh, let me get this ammo crate. Well, this is a bad loot. Now let me do that. Let me dress up as a henchman and get over there. Oh, or I'm gonna get out them 2 chests before I go into the shop. So yeah, comment down below what you guys is favorite mythical bosses. My opinion is Sky. What was your one? How many ARs? This is like an AR base. All I'm getting is ARs. Nothing else. See, other people have shotguns, I don't. It's so wow. People are shooting already. Let me get inside here. First in here.
Better you got your bed.
Okay, let's go. Got the person with the mythic scar and grappler. Let me get that, and then yeah, let me get these. Where's the scar? Wow, I really can't find the scar. Where's the weapon? Where's the scar? Where's the guns? Oh, they're here. Where's the key card? Okay, got that. Okay, let me drink these minis and then who else? But then head out. Guys, I can hear a person above me, so I'm just gonna stay here really quickly. Then yeah. No! He's so low. Well, GG's. He was good at the game, I can't lie. He's wondering where the key card is. Well, couldn't find it, so can't have the key card, so you can't have the vote. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and follow my dad on Instagram at Jamaicans underscore worst underscore gamer. Yeah. I can hear shooting. Okay, I'm gonna probably pressure these people because they sound like they're bots. And let me break. Actually, let me break out here. See what's happening. They're still shooting. How long did they have to be shooting for?
The good news is that you have a day job.
I would like you really to go home and practice.
2 kills.
Sofia, idiot.
3 kills already. Wow, I just wow. Killed them like it was nothing. They all trash. They not better than me. They all trash. I think there was people over here, so I'm gonna check here because I think I saw a build. Really need to go to the circle. I'm gonna push to the circle when it's 30. Yeah, I'm push when it's 30 seconds. Because I have some crash pads still, so gonna use them for my advantage. And yeah. Okay, let's crash pad. Then crash pad again. Wow, this circles across the map. Oh my god. Jesus. And why are there so many builds already? And wow, there is so less people inside this game. Oh no, it's coming quick for me. It is coming for me. Yo. It is coming for me. Yeah. Oh, let's go. They didn't take the chopper, so I'm gonna take the chopper. Oi. It is coming like it's a rocking boat. Whoa. Damn. I don't even think the helicopter is gonna make it, let alone me. Wow, look how quick that is moving. I might not even be able to get to the helicopter. Yeah, definitely gonna be able to get to the helicopter. Oh damn, might not. Really? Get him, let's go. Let's go, I got him. Let me get his purple pump really quickly and get this SMG. And now let's quickly get to the circle. I'm lucky I have two ARs. I can't believe the agency. Wow. probably die. Look how far the storm is. The circle is. Wait, who built? Look how far the storm is. Wow. Wow. If someone shoots at me, I'm just gonna go because I really can't do anything because the storm is so fast. And there's a person right there. Okay, let's get to this base. This. Oi, there's a person shooting at me. Oi, I'm not having this. Oi. Don't shoot at me, please. I'm trying to put on medkit on. Okay, there's henchmen, loads of henchmen. Trying to get the one with the heavy sniper. Oi, they ran. There's one right behind me. Okay, okie dokies. Okie dokies. Got him. Got that henchman as well. Oi, henchman! Thank you. Oh my days, I nearly got killed. Because of the stupid henchmen. Cracked him. He just running like a little baby. Now I'm pushing him, he's cracked. Wait, let me get a guy with the heavy sniper really quickly. Okay, got the guy with the heavy sniper. Okay, let me... Oh no! Let me just take my chopper, cause... Oi, I'm gonna die probably. That guy has to run. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
Got him!
Get out of my game. And I have a scar now. He just got no scoped like it was nothing. That is sad. Gonna medkit up so I can get full HP, then yeah. Golden cat hair. Woo, woo, woo. Golden cat rules. Oh, 23! No, I'm not dying from this guy. Woo! Woo! Wow. No. Drink the med. Get the med killed. Get the med killed. Get the med. Whoa. What? He came out of nowhere. Oh no. Well guys, that was the video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on notifications so every time when you guys know when my dad posts the next video. And peace.